could not live with your own failure. And as long as there are those that remember what was, there will always be those that are unable to accept what can be.
To create this type of effect video, first import your main clip into the timeline. Next, according to your requirements, select and cut the clips. Arrange them properly and remove any unnecessary footage. As you can see in the final look, the video is made using cutout clips along with background music.
As long as there are those that remember what was, there will always be those that are unable.
Now let's move to the transition. Go to the Transitions panel, insert the Warp Zoom 6 transition. This will create a smooth zoom out effect between clips. After that, go back to the Effects panel and search for Comic Multitrack. Add it according to the first clip, place it at the starting point of the transition, and set its speed to 15. Next, import the Parallax Zoom Out effect and insert it to the second clip. This will create a depth effect across the clips. And insert the Beyond the Star effect below Parallax effect with same duration. Then add Prism 3 and place it on the bottom layer, extending it across the clip. Now, duplicate your main clip and place it below the effects. Remove the background from this duplicated clip to create a layered visual effect. After that, insert the Chromatic Aberration effect. This gives a glitch-style futuristic look. Next, add the Fast Zoom effect, which will behave like a transition. Adjust its settings according to your clip. Then insert the breakout effect and adjust it based on your scene. Go to the Filter tab and apply the Cool Film filter to enhance the overall color grading. After that, add the shockwave effect exactly at the point where the beat hits. Now, insert the Stretch Shake effect, which will also work as a transition. Then, add the Beyond the Star clips. Duplicate your video again, remove the background, and place it in layers below to enhance the composition. Finally, add a text fade effect at the beginning for your opening title. And you can also add a closing text at the end. Now your final preview is ready.
You could not live with your own failure. And as long as there are those that remember what was, there will always be those that are unable to accept what can be.